Week!
Hi everyone, I greet you from Hiperbaric headquarters in Spain. It's a pleasure to welcome you to HPP Innovation Week 2024, a flagship event organized by Hiperbaric where we are going to explore opportunities that high-pressure processing technology offers to the food industry and consumers.
With the claim raising the bar for food safety, quality and clean label products, HPP Innovation Week will delve into emerging HPP applications, the latest industry trends and innovations, and the role of high pressure in the production of safe and sustainable food.
Over 3 days and with the participation of more than 50 experts, you can enjoy 25 sessions with keynotes on food applications, customers' case studies using the technology, innovation talks, panel discussions, exclusive interviews, and much more.
HPP Innovation Week program is structured around 6 main topics: trends in food processing, R&D and the science behind HPP, sustainability and how HPP aligns with the circular economy strategies, technology and the new perspective on the future of HPP production efficiency, commercialization of HPP products worldwide, and success stories from our Hiperbaric global community.
This year, we are particularly excited to present the second edition of the HPP Research Awards, where we will recognize HPP research projects.
These peer review awards recognize academic researchers for their scientific contributions to the development of the highly nutritious and safe HPP products.
Hiperbaric, the world leader in high-pressure technologies, has much more to tell you.
This is a very special year for Hiperbaric. We're not only celebrating our 25th anniversary, but over all these years, we have established ourselves as leaders in the development of high-pressure technologies. Today, 65% of the nearly 600 units installed worldwide are manufactured and installed by Hiperbaric, and we're very proud of it.
Register for free and join over 6,000 attendees from more than 60 countries, and remember, all sessions will be available after the event on demand.
HPP Innovation Week HPP 行业的参与者们济济一堂，集思广益，改变食品的未来。
Un evento para que tus productos marquen la differencia en la industria de la alimentazione e bevidas.
Il luogo in cui le tue idee di prodotto possono diventare realtà.
Semaine de l'innovation HPP, une occasion unique pour se rencontrer, pour apprendre et pour trouver de nouvelles opportunités dans l'industrie alimentaire.
Grâce à des explications, des exemples innovants, vous allez trouver de nouvelles idées, de nouvelles solutions pour vos produits.
Evento internacional para celebrar a colaboração entre empresas, universidades e centros tecnológicos.
We look forward to sharing this journey with you. Together, we will transform the food industry and build a healthier, more sustainable future for all.